Hi, friend. Have you ever gotten to the end of a sales conversation, listened intently, and gave your customer or client the perfect offer? And then they respond with, I need to think about it, or they're just less than excited. And it doesn't make any sense. You leave with a no sale, you're left scratching your head. What the heck is going on here? What's going on here is something called single choice aversion, which is a fancy name for if you give someone only one option, they don't want to do it. Have you ever tried to get a toddler to eat a vegetable? So we're like, hey, want some carrots? Toddler screams, throws carrots at us. We know that the best way to do this is to give the toddler a choice of two, right? Do you want broccoli or cucumber? I know that cucumber is a fruit, but hang with me, right? The toddler chooses cucumber. Now, this isn't going to work every single time. Sometimes the toddler will still scream no, neither are acceptable, and that's okay. But we have a much better chance of feeding the toddler if we give two choices instead of one. Humans are funny. We are so silly. We say we want things simple. We say, just tell me what to do. But it's not true. Once we tell someone what to do, they're like, no, I want to be in charge. I want to make my own choices. So as business owners, we have two options here. Number one, give up all hope that we will be successful and have any control over our income. Or two, learn how humans make decisions so we can decrease resistance. And the answer, give two choices whenever possible. You can do this while offering days to meet, offering my Zoom or yours, and of course your actual offer when you're presenting options to buy. Use a complete option and a starter option, whatever product or service that you want, or two different starting points that are both going to get them exactly where they need to go. We can't control people, but we also have to stop this negative thinking that we are hopeless and out of control. What we need to do instead is learn how humans make decisions and communicate in such a way that makes the decision-making process easier, more comfortable, and that customers and clients feel more confident. Now, behavioral science Daniel McCone did an experiment on this. And here's a summary I pulled from David Hofield's The Science of Selling. I'm just going to read it for you. In one of his experiments, consumers were asked to purchase a DVD player. When a single DVD player was shown, only 10% purchased. However, when two different brands were shown, sales skyrocketed. As an impressive 34% agreed to purchase the original, while agreed to purchase the second DVD player. In total, a whopping 66% of shoppers agreed to purchase at least one of the DVD players when two options were shown. This is a 46% increase in customers choosing to buy without applying any pressure. Our job is to make the buying process enjoyable, and customers can't enjoy it unless they are in control of the buying process. So let's all commit to offering two choices as often as we can so that people can feel confident and comfortable moving forward. I hope that this tip was helpful for you. I hope you have an amazing day, and let all the sales roll in, I guess. All right.